What is up with you guys? Jaden Alagan and welcome to another video. So for today's video guys, as promised, I have here guys the iPhone 17 Pro. We will do an unboxing of this one, and then in a separate video, I will be doing a review of this one. So if you're interested, alam nyo na guys, panoorin nyo lang. So this is an iPhone 17 Pro. I'll show you the details guys here. So here's the details guys. Tinakpan ko lang yung price niya. Saka mamaya at the end of the video, papakita ko sa inyo magkano yung price niya if you decide to, you know, buy or pay for it in full. But this is an iPhone 17 Pro, 256GB, and then yung color niya is deep blue, which is ito din yung gusto ko. But this is not mine actually, this is my co-teacher's. Sobrang bait lang niya na pinahiram niya sa akin for a content sa YouTube channel ko. Shout out Sir JC, you're the best, thank you so much. So ito siya guys. Yes, ayan, tingnan natin. So yeah, balikan ko kayo guys later para sa ilang mga details, pero for this video, this is just like an unboxing lang guys, like literally unboxing, and then isa-separate ko na lang yung video para sa review. So for now, yeah, if you're interested to this kind of content, you guys know what to do. Please keep on watching.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.
So here it is. Let's open it guys. So when you open it, yeah, oh, it's so ganda. It's so pretty talaga guys. Saktong-sakto siya. Ay, nasa Japan. Here is, so what's inside the box? So this is of course the unit, and then yung box. Tapos yan, ito lang actually. Yan lang talaga yung nasa box. Yung cable ng charger. Tapos yun lang. Ano ba naman yan? Yun na yun. So yeah, so basically yan na yun. Sige, secure lang natin to. So look at the details guys. Wow. Look at that dude. It's so pretty. So pretty dude. $86,000 for a 256GB. Tapos this is only like 17 Pro. It means na hindi pa ito talaga yung pinaka, 'di ba? Kasi there's a 17 Pro Max pa. Tapos this is 256GB lang, gigabytes, which is ito yung pinakamababa sa 17 series, pero umaabot na siya ng 86,000 guys. Yeah, it's 86,000. Eh, yun lang yung nasa box niya. Siguro, what's frustrating lang talaga is imagine you have to pay 86,000. Tapos, ganyan lang yung nasa loob ng box, di ba? Parang wala na kung ano, literal na ito lang. So, there guys, sige. Open na natin ngayon. But it's so pretty actually. Super pretty. Let's open it. Okay. There. So ganda. I really like the color, guys. Tapos let's try it. Let's try sa camera. May password na siya. Hindi siya. Ayan. Oh. Hindi na maano yung camera niya. But it's fine. Kasi may SIM card na siya. But yeah. So ganda, guys. I like it so much. Diba? Yeah. So there, guys, initial thoughts, I mean, you could really see na it was different from how iPhone was, especially with the build design and how it looks like external, no? Kasi syempre ngayon, ayan, tatlo na yung camera niya. Tapos in terms of color, ako kasi fan ako nitong ganitong pagka-blue. Hindi ako masyadong fan ng mga light blue. Ito kasi mas leaning na siya towards, alam mo yung parang same sa color ng MacBook. 'Di ba parang merong blue yung MacBook na parang midnight blue rin. This one is like almost the same color dun sa blue ng MacBook. Yung parang mas leaning na siya towards sa color black. Which is, ganun yung mga gusto kong color. I actually love the color. In terms of design, siguro I'll share na lang in a different video, in a separate video. But this is like only an unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro 256GB in midnight blue color. So, what are your thoughts, guys? You think it's worth it for 86,000 pesos na presyo? So, yeah. Yeah, it's for you to answer naman. But personally, I think, yeah, maganda siya kasi tatagal naman na rin to ng sobrang matagal na panahon. 'Di ba? Yeah, this is for the last look. So ganda.